Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to hide likes on Instagram. So if you can see, here is the number of like here. So if you want to see the like count here, so all you need to do is go for your profile, then go for in this three line option, go for settings and privacy. Now in this list you can see like count option, go for it and just you need to turn it on, then go back and just refresh it and you can see here the number of likes are here, just you can see the liked by anyone. So this is how you can hide likes on Instagram. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.